Hey guys, welcome back, and here is the Inkscape tutorial for FCYTT on Discord app. So, we are going to open the littlemodelAirport.com website, and we will download a white template. Make sure it has no livery when downloading it. You don't have to download this exact plane. It is just an example. Remember, add a white template. They are usually at the top. So we have opened the template, and to import it into Inkscape, we will have to use the download button. It will be in the download section if you are on Windows. Now, we will press the little file button on the top left corner. Then press open file. Then select the white file you just downloaded. Make sure to keep it on internal import setting. Now, since we opened it, we will go over each tool and the most important features, and also tricks for repainting. This is the rectangle tool. You can draw, you guessed it, a rectangle. An important feature of this object is using gradients and smooth corners, and also strokes. By pressing the circle on the corner, you can drag it down or left to get a smooth corner on all corners. Here is where you can add gradients. By pressing the blue squares near Approve, the color wheel, you can have different patterns of gradients. Can change the color of the other side, so make it a solid color. Or tint the transparent part to a color you like by pressing the markers on the gradient line above the color wheel, or the circled to the left of the color wheel. You can also drag these markers to change the stop offset. Opacity and blue are at the bottom for every shape. As you can see, are adding tints and changing to a solid color. This is the stroke feature. It has many different patterns, and you can customize the color, thickness, and more. Let's change the color of the stroke. Remember from earlier, we can also use gradients on strokes. This might come in handy sometime. This is the Trace Bitmap feature. You can trace images into path shapes. By using this tool, there is also a color feature using circles. You can make logos, fonts out of this. So, let's add an image to trace. So, now that we have our image in, we can right-click and select Trace Bitmap feature. Can select multicolor by pressing the second button at the top. Follow these steps for multicolor. Let's say we want to make a black and white version. Let's add that. If you don't like the brightness of the image, you can always press Invert Image button. Nice result, right? Next tool, the Circle tool. Can make pie charts by pressing dot on the right. Here is 3D Queued tool, self-explanatory. here is Star and Polygon tool. You can change number of corners at the top left. Spiral tool, self-explanatory. This is the most important tool for repainting. Pen tool, click a point, and click another point, and so on for a shape. You can click and drag to make it curved line. Pencil tool. Like pen tool but no clicking, only dragging mouse while holding. Calligraphy tool. You probably won't need this. Text tool. Drag or click to make box for text. Font and bold/italic and size for text is at top section. You can also add gradients, stroke colors like the rectangle tool.